Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 9th of March 2018. Okay guys, we have hit 5 signals today out of 8 and I'm going to give the review for those signals. So this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning and I'm going to start from Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, today I was bullish on Great Britain Pound USD and I have provided the entry 138096 and you can clearly see a valid bullish pattern on the chart and it has even hit the targeted price. You know that the gap in between my signals is quite high because these are based on full day trading signals. So 138623 was the targeted price and already it has already touched. So overall guys, those traders who have taken the trade on Great Britain Pound USD, they must be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. I'm just going to drag the report down. Okay, AUD USD with a bullish expectation from my side, 077,969 was the entry and I was expecting the target price to up to 078352. This was a very long signal from my side and you can clearly see that the market has almost reached to the targeted price. So overall this signal is fully expired and hopefully those traders who have taken the trade as per the signals report, they must have caught massive profits on AUD USD and Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF. You know that I was talking about the strength of the pair, this pair from some days, but today I was turned into bearish. So however, I have done scalping on this pair. 095161 was the possible bearish entry from my side and you can see that today it has went bearish from here and right now you can see the bullish pattern is in formation. So I suggest those traders who have taken the trade, who have active trade on USD CHF, then I suggest them to close it because right now it's getting some strength from the same level. So just avoid trading at the moment because it's also going to be the closing session after a few hours. So hopefully if it continues to be down, then only it can move towards 094512. Otherwise right now I can simply say that this was a scalping signal from my side and overall you need to avoid USD CHF at the moment. Okay, a clear signal was provided in case of Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar. A bearish signal was applied. 128880 was the entry and you can see a significant drop right from the entry and it has hit the targeted price 128265 that I have provided right in the morning. You know guys, I sent my signals report at 11:30 a.m. GMT plus 5. So on that time I have sent the bearish suggestion to my subscribers and hopefully this is the second last signal of my signals report and hopefully you must have caught the pair in a right way. At last I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. You know that I was giving bullish signals and today I have seen the strength of Great Britain Pound JPY. So right now you can see a clear bullish move from my side and I have predicted this move right in the morning. 147304 was the entry and you can clearly see that the market has even went across the barriers of 148124. That was the targeted price from my side and you cannot see a single bearish candle within this zone. It was expected to go up and it already went up. So guys, this is all about today's analysis. Moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain how to use the trading system in a right way. So sell the pair when it comes up into the top red boundary, but do not sell it blindly. Just sell after confirmations. Like here you can see that we are getting bearish candles at the top. You can sell the pair, it's down. And when we are getting bullish candles from the lower red boundary or blue boundary, then we can buy the pair. And like it happened with Great Britain Pound JPY today, it was at the oversold level and then we have received the bullish confirmations and then we have started a very good bullish move on the pair. So guys, this is how we use this trading system. Moreover, if you look at here, then scalper has pointed you yesterday a buy signal on Great Britain Pound JPY and today we have received no signal. So overall it went perfectly fine up with the scalper. Scalper has pointed us at the right time to buy the pair and the pair has moved up. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover guys, this is all about today's analysis. If you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system so that it can improve your trading, if you want to improve your trading through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.